cross the bridge. Almost all of us complain, apart from Becca, that is far away from the country right now.
That one they enjoy himself.
He dey enjoy himself, not be joke.
I don't like the looking story.
You go dey pressure.
They annoy me.
Why they annoy you now?
The
You
enjoyment
just
is
annoy
too
you
much.
now.
Yeah, no, as the one they annoy me, as in the enjoyment is too much.
I
too
get
much.
you.
I want to think about say my son won't enter university
Now
now.
you want to call the
Don't
reason.
go get. Don't go at the year say 1.4 million people fail jam.
Wow.
Yeah.
Say now only for
Below 200.
400,000
Yeah, 9 pass.
and then my son can't get 244. So so
You clear say you will pay school fees.
university they come for front.
Yeah,
So when
it's
I
coming.
think about university to travel,
But you have student loan there that if you need help, you will go
the
student
thing is
loan.
student loan that people like.
Federal government.
You know the criteria of people when there's a student they go do student loan. You
What
fund
is the
you.
criteria?
I know 500k salary.
First time say your yearly salary if you not pass 500k.
You know fit. You know
You know
fit.
fit.
If your 1 year salary no pass 500k, right, now you go fit take student loan.
Student loan.
You say if they earn like 501k and above,
Yeah.
and
You-
Not
you-
nothing for
It's
you.
not.
So-
It's zero.
I don't know say people like us you don't qualify.
You know your name. But again,
It's simple now. It's very simple. Just look for that your account where you know they put money inside like that.
no, they go carry a verification from your workplace. You never you take federal government before they give you loan.
When government get your big ear and
Everything they see how much
they
they
go just see
enter.
all your account. They go just say, hey,
Yes, you don't
you know.
finish.
So
Don't be-
government don't get time for the middle class. Not only poor and rich.
Neither.
The rich na them wey dey national assembly
Yeah.
government. The poor na those people wey dey all up to 500k for their minds. We wey dey middle, they no send us.
So also, I'm not even sure say middle dey this country again. No.
You know
It's just between the rich and the poor.
And the
Middle
poor.
class not really
So-
dey because
so-
now we don't know we all dey here.
No, if I go even classify us join the poor. But
Because we are poor.
the problem is that for government man we not really poor
We not poor for their mind though.
and we not really rich.
Yeah.
We just did here.
We just did here.
So we just
We dey survive.
Survive, yes. So they don't get plan for the survivors. The surviving class.
Now only the rich then get time.
And the poor, they get poor and rich. They know
Wow.
because the rich now have to make them richer.
Nah,
The poor now have to take from the poor to make the rich richer.
You know
Then those who
somebody.
dey in the middle now, either you fight to join the top
Yes.
or you feel fall.
You allow yourself fall off. Somebody say one of the reasons why this heavy fight back there on top cyber security levy now because it affects the rich more. Because now they run transaction. Hello, ask myself how many transactions are they really run on the normal you get compared to you get other people. Because that levy now, the more money you send, the more deduction.
The more deduction.
The more deduction you get. Say now why? Because now why you know to say the president say okay let's suspend it first. Let's make a review into it because some big according to who for street to some big maybe they say that percentage too high. It's supposed to be less.
That money said they're not even supposed to come and meet the masses. They're supposed to just check, okay, all these big organizations where they spend so much
More money, they do
where
transfer.
they spend so much, not just transfer, where they spend so much money on their cyber security to safeguard their company website, company account, banks and all those things. Now them is supposed to take the money from. You understand? Because they then get more to lose. Imagine make hackers hack bank now.
It don't finish now.
So
But then
people get more
again,
to
the bank who be the people when get account for the bank. Now still me and you now. So our money go see.
So the profit when the bank they make from you
Make them
to
pay off.
business, make them they pay the cyber security.
But also before the creation of that law for 2015 and this implementation when they be tried right now, and what so where will they see money fund cyber security or we know the fund and now they want really be start to the do one.
That one, you know, so when they don't give budget to the Office of National Security Advisor, everything they do now inside that budget, plus salary and everything. So maybe now they don't look and say the money no dey reach.
You know the ratio more just Okuma they
So
collect level.
you know, say government, I don't tell you plenty times. Say once government they think about to make money, now will they collect from these people hand again?
Nine.
They will come up with one thing.
Exactly.
Or the other.
We they collect tax. Okay, we don't collect VAT. Okay, consumption tax. Okay, which one we go collect again? Okay, more increase this one. More. You understand? So they don't ever think. How will they reduce this one wey we dey collect as people at the top now to help the masses? Okay, Senate now everybody say okay, allowances and everything
we reduce. Senate go mean you because this spot the Senate come and God really the Senate go mean.
Because those guys they hammer, they hammer. They have to say okay, since all this constituency allowance and everything, let's just say every month. Let us say every month each senator go remove like 5 million from their whatever.
I pray oh.
Then calculate that the House of Rep remove like 4 million. But we tell Nigerians say now what would they remove every whatever to take cyber security? Who go understand?
Now so easy. Now the new lawmakers when they come from the new parties not doing. The one there come when
they just enter.
When mistakenly win based on Peter Obi. That they not do. That collect they say hey, if everybody's collecting, why would I collect?
That's the problem. They don't reject.
But anyway, that's not for politics. In as much as I'd want to say how far with the student, we can never hear news about them whether they don't really deactivated. You know, there was a time.
They work on them.
They be pause because they want use website. I think the thing come clear. Now they pause and say they go relaunch again. Maybe hopefully we'll get to find out that one. But more move to sport. Now, Godwin, which club?
Real Madrid. We don't win our league for Spain.
Okay,
we so, wait to win Champions League June 1.
So that means your heart they clean up, pure.
Yes.
So I don't know where people are.
Chelsea.
Very wayward people. I don't they look for where your behavior come from since then. Anybody that supports Chelsea is a wayward person. Yes.
Yo, sir.
No, but now Chelsea don't get the highest Agbero support.
Jesus.
The club with the three clubs where I know we get the classiest and high class supporters in the world. Real Madrid,
yeah.
Arsenal, and Liverpool.
What now? They play with the Naija.
Man U and Chelsea.
Jesus.
No, Chelsea pass. No, now they play football with the Naija con dey fall.
No, they are not be Man U. Now Man U they play when they roof the league.
But you see Chelsea, Baba. The people where come from they support that club. See. We don't fight several to the join the reason why I don't watch match again.
I'll be the highest number of conductors.
Now let's go.
The highest number of conductors I don't see for
Chelsea.
Yes,
Chelsea.
The highest number of mechanics I don't see.
Now Chelsea.
Highest number of welders, highest number of carpenters, artisans. In fact, then they wear Chelsea jersey. But then they support pass.
You know why? You know say blue. In blue dirty, you know the queen no.
Hey, I choose to forgive you for that way you talk.
The dirty for the night, because they be like black light.
Hey, not be me, I'm not on that page.
Chelsea fans.
No,
okay,
look. You know what? This is one thing missing. They don't believe. They don't say Man City they play Tottenham Hotspur today. And anything will make Man City beat Tottenham. That means we will lose our position. Premier League is that.
You know, say it must beat Tottenham.
Yes.
Then for weekend. Man City go need to beat West Ham for house. Arsenal go need to beat Everton.
No, we will beat Everton.
Once Man City beat West Ham, they don't win league. So what Arsenal they hope now? I say they are enemy for London, which is Tottenham. Where they say North London together.
Go deliver.
But the bad news to all the Arsenal fans today,
they
go beat Spurs like people waiting for me.
Now
Man City, I feel bet you that game not go say less than. Man City they score less than 3. They will beat Spurs then, like who take money for.
So now why would they plan now? That guy Haaland won't be Viking king. We need to break his leg.
No.
I need to reach village now.
Even if break Haaland leg, we break the Brian leg.
But that Haaland, I don't want to watch.
Even if Haaland no play, they will see big Spurs. Spurs, this one, nowhere for you know where they say, you know what that move, you know where to run. Because
you know say somebody they make mockery of me since because Chelsea fans say make a big.
I hear when that's not fan they say go for one guy the Chelsea fans say go for big man and win.
Say
you rather make a Man City win.
Yeah. So my own I go check the history of where we win cup last, Baba.
Now 20 years now. Premier League.
2020.
When they were hurry and they can't see they play now. All those ones turn to old men now.
So because of this, one are pretty for us.
Before now, so 2004.
Who they born and not born?
20 years now.
20 years.
20 years.
They go now we win Premier League.
The time when we last now win Premier League last, only now 27 years. Now 47. So Arsenal fans, not be say I hate you now. I'm the ex-Arsenal fan.
Oh!
Yes, I remember how they complain. He go watch the match. Then he go come on Monday. Come they put the vex. So when they lose on top me.
When Tottenham go enter Champions League final some years ago against Liverpool, now I say no. They cannot come and win Champions League. When I be Arsenal fan, now I leave Arsenal. Say I no go be fan when Spurs no come win, but I no go back.
You know, we want you.
Since I joined Madrid, my life has not been the same. Champions League, Champions League.
Because at least I know they hear complain.
Yeah. Now we don't even win league. Now our last match for weekend, we rest 10 first team players. We see win because we wait for Champions League June 1.
Now they keep those players.
But Arsenal, the biggest heartbreaker. If you know guy when they date girl, when they ever keep him promise.
What's the meaning of that?
That's what Arsenal.
No, we are loyal. Now we loyal pass. What? We don't be like you.
Arsenal
small threatening, you leave us. But the real Arsenal fans will stay with Arsenal for 40 years.
Arsenal like man with the wife they talk for church. I thank God for my husband. No matter the temptation, it does not fall. Only when they discover say the man get another wife. Heartbreaker and the Arsenal.
No, we not be like that.
You know Arsenal a guy who don't promise you, propose to you, give you ring, go see your parents.
No, we not be like that.
All of a sudden, you just find out say the guy they plan wedding with another person. If they don't marry you again, we don't look for this in break up. That's Arsenal. Be Arsenal. If you put all your egg for Arsenal basket,
all of them go break.
So, but this evening, unfortunately, Arsenal don't lose this league right from when they lose to Aston Villa. Like they don't lose. To Aston
somebody
Villa.
said that on Twitter. Yeah.
As a loser. So no matter the praying, see the same God, he love Man City too. So they say Arsenal, we have prayed. The same God love Man City too. No matter the praying, no matter the fasting, no matter the whatever, Man City go beat Tottenham today.
But what if it come as a shock and the reverse?
Anything happens.
That doesn't know how they bet. I don't they tell you now. No try and go bet since October Sports. Sports no get the quality
to take drag with
even though they play for their house. When Man City knows I used to beat Sports, then go celebrate for weekend, beat West Ham. Now they will come go. Then they give Man City this kind of opportunity, especially within England. If you give them this support, last season. Now the same opportunity that Arsenal give them now. Arsenal ain't go. The moment they just go their front, 10 matches to the end of the season. Arsenal no lose one.
Back to back.
And the same thing now. So Arsenal Mona just console herself with the fact say for some years now they play Champions League.
Speak well and you be former Arsenal fan.
So for the years now they play Champions League. Now I think they play back to back Champions League. Now play Champions League this season.
So you know
now the guy is second. I don't let him when they like this my talk. Especially I will go for downstairs.
but you know the most people that they hate that they wouldn't look for them for table step. I know you would see them for the first 6.
Chelsea, no, they did that.
That's why they are hating on us.
You know,
Agbero set of human.
So all the big names, Alibaba, AY, RMG, I will go for them. Mr. Chris Bosi, when I know vex, I love all of you, but
you're not gonna win.
Now no one can support us now. Now heart strong.
We are loyal people. We are not like you that small problem for relationship. We don't come out, they go Real Madrid where the ground is green. No, we don't do that. We are here.
We roll with the big boys.
Anyway, sharply before we come out, so I don't know if you don't come across the outcome of a fake meeting that happened yesterday where the president or director ministry, department and agency right now say made them move mandatory procurement of CNG based cars. Made them move from petrol based cars now to CNG. That's to say that they abandon all cars when they use petrol and moving to waiting.
No, it's the way they abandon. I be say if they won't buy from now going forward, maybe they buy.
Let me read the statement that was written.
Okay.
The president has directed the mandatory procurement of compressed. So mandatory means say now that means say
from now I won't buy any official vehicle.
It has to be.
It could be gas vehicle, no be petrol. But the petrol one where they currently.
Shey know they fit convert am. Why they not convert the existing one to gas?
Well, you know they suggest that kind of thing give government.
Why?
That you know they will consider them budget to convert the motor.
He go pass the one where they want to buy new one.
No, they don't need to buy new one. Why did they buy new motor? The people when they do the work before, the motor don't spoil.
But the more bet. I said from now, you go see how many ministries will
in fact, they don't need to buy any new motor. Please, the ministries already get former ministers and PAMSEC we get official cars before. Anyone we know they okay repair them.
Wait, hold on. You forget the reason why president make why because fuel cost too much. So they take a toll on the finances of the government. So in way to move forward, let's go to CNG. That's to say okay, moving forward now we need to abandon this fuel based cars.
In Nigeria, in Nigerian context, I don't know. The moment where you don't they put down with their mind say fuel cost too. You know how many vehicles they go. If they go to think about their mind say okay, government say more we know they use fuel vehicle, more use gas now. You know how much they go take buy.
Okay, that's my concern.
So now make them the fuel one they use now. Make them they use now. If need be to buy any extra one, no buy fuel loan, buy gas own. But if they come and tell them say, make them because fuel cost too much, make them the money they go take go buy the gas motor. and then they go see they buy gas if they put am.
Yes.
So now see more money. They will come draw one kind big budget now. Changing of vehicle.
Yes, that is my fear.
When they maintain the one where they use fuel now first. If they need to buy anyone in future, make them come say okay now gas. Now the president they ask which kind of motor the president they use. Now gas they use. It's what strategy they start for us. Don't want to talk.
Maybe if he don't do it, it will shock you.
Make president see.
If he don't do it,
if he sell the president motor, it's still expensive. They go see who go buy am. Sell all those motor first.
But I want to see one.
When they change that first, make it first change. Okay, say okay, the president first don't begin to use the gas whatever.
On top of every new car when you see our government don't buy, you never see they sell the old one.
They give out to people for giveaway now. So now, the president know they use gas motor, but one other people they use.
But we don't know yet. Now that Maybach,
you know they see. You know they see that president. You know they see that motor.
If it be electric.
You know they see that motor. That president motor. Let me say.
Well, bulletproof that motor. Now Maybach, which should be that one, sir? Okay, he could do something like that.
You know how many motos do that fit? You know how many motos do that
fit? But my concern now, Godwin, I say, in as much as I'm having such conversation, a country that is an oil producing country, whereby your majority of your revenue comes from crude oil, you're supposed to even the forefront, because if you hear president, you say, this is not, get where you talk, you say,
and I even hear somewhere where they say Nigeria get more gas than fuel.
No, actually, yes.
Wow.
So
yes.
But
we
get more gas than fuel.
We dey export.
So like this now, since the country they use fuel, and this fuel they give us stress. It makes sense to say you won't move towards gas home.
Yeah.
But not be that one will cause as opportunity to spend money where the country no get in the name of say presidency say we move towards. So they will come Nigeria they can abandon now stadium this will let it so nobody they use and do anything. National stadium how many years now? That place they waste. They
don't play match.
Push match. If you hunt antelope for that place now.
You don't want bush.
Say R&B.
For real. This one for Sule.
I sure say if you go there, you go see crocodile for the swimming pool.
Calm down.
Every new minister will come go say we will refurbish the stadium. How many years now? Stadium they waste. Okay, when they don't want, I mean, Google destroy the place, build housing estate for the masses. The thing they waste, the property or auction them off, make different companies come do.
Join together and say the field do something.
Example be that one. They don't abandon a full national stadium where we don't get so many memories for inside and all that. So they could just abandon all those cars or share and give themselves. Come start to buy official car for everybody. Say government say they use gas. I know how to do for this country. We don't get money. We don't get money in the top. When they stay first, manage the cars with the official car. Now only Nigeria you go say people go they leave office. They go say okay just pay small thing go with the car. New person go come buy new one. Now official car they call and drop the car and walk away.
But me also say convert the car.
Even the official house self.
Yes, that's
they go say when they take car.
Yes. Now what they do for Abuja? Now when you know say one senators come now, you go they look for new house.
Yes, sir.
The rent money and money to buy new house.
The one they go say
they don't turn up to personal house.
Pay small thing carry and go. For country we no get money according to them.
No, we get money. Oh no, God, we not money.
They say money. No.
Now just of few individuals actually.
Money day. Now so the later I don't talk that thing before. When you go in Abacha, when you go in King's people. Say they need money. Say Koshishi Babu. That doesn't. Even small money I don't get. But he gets.
He say money no dey boy pikin dey use to play go buy suya for Kano.
Koshishi Babu.
I never tell you that thing before.
Oh, for school, yeah.
Abacha pikin now.
Yeah. One is now I go to school.
Abacha son from Abuja they use presidential they go buy suya for Kano. If they play land there, you go use their escort car go there. Go buy this.
Are you saying this out of jealousy or what?
You say we did the back of the food chain.
You be like I suppose they will this guy.
You can't tell us about this my life. I remember when I did secondary school. I tell you now. When we late come school for command, they block us for outside. They lock day after parade. They will come say assembly. They will come flog us. We just had to wait for our flogging. Meanwhile, person wey small boy wey come late in papa use helicopter
drop by himself.
Papa na GOC of one. I said all the commandant everybody they salute.
Them.
The father for the company they enter assembly they salute the boy.
Is your father a GOC?
Your papa sit there for inside helicopter. Now for inside helicopter, pilot do like this.
Straight up.
Helicopter go. The boy enter and say, that was
they talking to flog now.
My papa that bloody other round. They flog me. Meanwhile, the GOC begins. This country, every year the world, equality not equal.
Alright, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.